This is a taste test review of Hormel chili with beans. Completes right in 60 seconds. I just put it in the microwave. Here's what it looks like. The stuff's... I think I had the bean stuff before, but this is what it is. I think it's the first time I had the microwavable plate bowl thing. Now it's hot. Hot chili. They should have I should have bought hot dogs put in this. Oh well, they should make it with hot dogs. I put in for a minute and like I think I cooked it for a minute and 28 seconds, I think. It's probably really hot. No, it's not really hot. Tastes good. Tastes real good. Tastes just like chili. The sauce is much thicker than the other chili brands. Like the store brands and all the other brands that make chili. Campbell's Chunky Chili. Does the beans suck? I wish they'd make it without beans. I couldn't find it. I know they make it in a can without beans. Well, vegetables. Well, eating healthy. Not eating healthy because it's the sodium. All soups are bad for you because all that sodium they add. Even though it doesn't say added sodium, it's added sodium. Just like this chili's bad because it's 900 and... Chili is 990. See that? 990. It's bad for you. And it says added sugar is 4, total 8. Doesn't matter if there's healthy stuff in it or not. Sodium blocks your arteries, which blocks your blood, which isn't healthy. It's only 10 ounces, but it's really nothing. I'm going to do a review of their chili. I don't think I did a review of just their chili. Comment, let me know what you think. It's worth buying, again. Just buy it without the beans. The beans are on it. I wish they'd put regular baked beans in them. It'll taste so much better instead of these kidney beans. It's made with carefully selected beef beans, tomato. I think it's kidney beans. Yep, kidney beans. Kidney beans right there. Kidney beans. Citric acid, bad for you. Looks like I don't have that much added salt in here. Or, I mean sodium. Well, salt in here. There's one salt, another salt, contains vinegar. Look, salt, see? More salt. which is sodium. Another word for salt, sodium. So it's up there like a lot of times. So, but I'm gonna get the whole thing. Even though I'm not hungry. Looks good, don't it? I'm going to reuse this to put the chili in it. So I can put it in the microwave and just eat it. I didn't bring any bowls with me to the hotel. All gone. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.